Aloha. So, first lesson that we did in the first video is the to find the note. The second time we did this, we would take that note and try and move it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5, 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, just to get associated with your ones and your fives. The next thing we're going to do for today that we worked on was to be able to go 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1. That allows us to hear our octaves still, hear our 1 and 5, but it now incorporates the end of the lesson from the other day, playing the 1, 2, 3, singing the 3, and then playing the 1, 3, and then hearing the minor third as well as the major third. So by doing 3, you can hear major, minor. So that from the last week's lesson plus today's lesson of doing 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 1. If you do that on guitar, if you were doing it in the key of C, we would have like a C, E, C, E, C, F, C, F, C, G, C, G, C, C, C. I would even say use that 3rd fret C and then go to the 1st fret on the B string and hit the C just to hear the difference between the two. What this is going to do, it's going to help strengthen our chords between knowing a 1 and a 3, 1 and a 5, and then 1 and 1. The whole correlation is being able to warm up by going 1, 3, 5, 1, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 1, 5, 3, 1. C sharp, D major. 1, 3, 5, 1, 5, 3, 1. D major, D sharp. And so on and so forth. So on and so forth means when you're able to go with the assuredness that you know 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, and then do 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Going through these intervals is going to strengthen our notes. Remember, deep breaths. This week we did Amazing Grace. Quickly, I'm going to play the accompaniment part so you will have something to sing along with and not just be singing by yourself. We're going to start at 40 seconds. Amazing grace, how sweet sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. 'Twas blind, but now I see. Hope that was fun to follow along with. Remember, every time you get through the phrasing, this song's only so far, so try and sing that verse over and over and over again. The only thing I didn't do here was to modulate from C major to D major. So try it in different keys if you want to when you're playing on your guitar, if you're accompanying yourself, and then try and hit your intervals. Remember, when you pancake and stack these layers from lesson 1, lesson 2, and lesson 3 over the top of each other, you're warming up your voice. Remember that you want to remember what 1-5 is, 1-3 is, and throw that 4 in to hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inevitably, we're going to work on triads, and then hearing the flat 7th, and then hearing the major 7th. Inevitably, that's a real hard thing to do between those two. Other than that, you're doing an amazing job. I understand that we're going to be postponing our lessons for a while. Give me a buzz when you're back, and I'm going to be sending some good vibes your way. Till we meet again, aloha.